What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here, creating a rave scene. Yeah! Okay, do me a favor. Yeah, I'm having fun. So what? Did I mention the PEZ book channel? Regardless, do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Why am I having so much fun with this flashlight? I'll show you. So I take said flashlight. I turn on said flashlight. I take PEZ Dispenser. I open up the PEZ Dispenser. And I hold it just like so. Okay. Not sure if you can see. There we go. So, when you shine a light inside the PEZ dispenser, while you hold it open like so, it will show you little lines and cracks. Right here from the P over to the E, there is a crack. It's a split. And if I show it to you here like so, you can see it. But there are some cracks, and I don't have a dispenser that actually has this issue. All of the cracked dispensers I have actually have cracks in them. But when you open the dispenser up like so, you'll be able to see cracks that you normally otherwise wouldn't see. And you'll also be able to see some cool marbling sometimes as well. So if I take this Mickey Mouse PEZ dispenser, open him up, and shine the light in like so, the light will show me things that I normally didn't otherwise see. This is referred to as the flashlight trick. It's a way to make sure your vintage PEZ dispensers are nice and mint. So there you go. So until next time.